Hey y'all, so what's up? This is a shampoo conditioner I'm going to be using to freshly wash my hair to get it ready for a wig install. So right here you see me shampooing my hair. Um Shampooed it 2 times, got it under water, shampooed it, rinsed it out. Then you see me doing the conditioner. Um, got it all in the hair, rinsed it out, and then I am going to be wrapping it with the towel. So yeah.
Okay, so what I am going to be doing now, since I have gone ahead and washed my hair to put on a wig, I am going to be moisturizing it. So I am going to be using the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In Conditioner. So it is right there. And then the oils I'm going to be using is going to be the Eco Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Maximum Hair Growth, since I am trying to grow my hair out from being cut short last year in September. And then just so that my hair does not itch, I am going to use the GRO Anti-Itch Hair Oil. So yeah, so let's get into the moisturization. Alright, so it really doesn't matter how much you use. Being that my hair is short, I'ma just slap it in there.
Alright, so right here you're gonna see me putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair all over it just so that I know it's moisturized, because I do not want to have dry
I'm going
hair
to go
underneath a
in with
wig.
just a little bit of this castor oil because I don't want my hair to be too greasy. So this is, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the amount I use. So yeah.
So right here I'm putting the castor oil in my hair, putting it on the edges because I need some things to grow back because they gone. And then you see me combing my hair just so all the product can be in it.
All right. So now that my hair is all moisturized, what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is just part it so I can braid it down. So yeah, so let's go.
So right here I am parting my hair into making that straight line to the back. And then I'm gonna clip the side and start on the first braid, as you gonna see. So here we go. So that is the first braid. I did have to undo it and redo it because I had a piece on the side that was not in the braid. So yeah, we had to braid that thing back down, secure it with a rubber band, and then we're gonna do the other side, as you can see. So and then what I'm doing right here is just pinning the braids together just so that it can dry
Okay,
and I
so
can put the
this
wig
is
on
the braid
and put the
down
comb
for
in. So
the
yeah.
wig install. So, or get ready with me, or whatever. So this is the side, and then this is the back. And then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get my scarf and tie it down. then we are going to wait. I wait about however long I want to until I feel like it's dry to take the scarf off and then put the wig on. So next video is going to be the wig install, so look out for that.